07 F150 with a 4.6 engine. Okay. I have the code P0191. Okay, and that calls for this sensor right here, the fuel pressure sensor. So it's a one connector, really simple, one connector. Then is one hose, must be a vacuum hose, and two 8mm bolts, really simple. Okay, before you guys remove it, make sure you put something underneath, because there's gonna be a fuel spill. Okay. Here you go. Right there. Just get the other one. And put it on, just like that. We go. Reconnect the harness connector and this hose, the vacuum hose. Now it's everything in place. I'm gonna start the vehicle and make sure there is no leak, fuel leak. This is how you replace the fuel pressure sensor. Okay, thank you for watching.